Right, now put your... Don't take a foot down by my touch a little bit. Right there, yeah. Balance yourself. No moving, no moving, no moving.
What's going on, sir? How does it feel? And what?
It feels good.
Get it, Katie.
Now get in the middle, Katie. Put the feet together. Put your feet down. Put it in the middle. Middle of my back. Oh, yeah! That's it. Damn you.